Hello everyone, welcome to I'm going to show you how to use airplane mode to browse star. As you can see, down is code. Sorry. After that, you hit on the star button, and as you can see, my data is on, and you go to phone information. After that, I'll turn on my airplane mode. Here's it. Turn my airplane mode. Now I can send message. After that, you press on the mobile radio power. You turn it on. After turning your the mobile radio power on, let's go back to WhatsApp and let's chat and see whether it's true. Let's see. And I think it's working. Thanks for watching. I'm Chairman Tech Ghana. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share and like. This is the end of the video. Goodbye.